I'm Jenny-Rose Madirabli, 33 years old. I am single mother. I have two children, 14 years old and 12 years old. I am high school graduate. My experience work in Saudi Arabia for 11 years for one employers. I serve 3 members, one elderly 72 years old, one adult 52 years old, and one children 11 years old. My duties responsibilities are taking care of baby, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, and cooking.
How many helpers in your employer's house?
I am only one.
Do you have experience in taking care of the newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am, my own and my past employer. By changing clothes, changing diaper, and prepare bottle milk.
How about children? Do you have any experience?
Yes, ma'am.
What if the child is naughty? What are you going to do?
I will do my best and I treat as like my children.
Are you capable enough in tutoring children?
Yes, ma'am.
Like what?
Like basic singing, drawing, writing.
Are you willing to take care of an invalid or elderly person?
No, ma'am, because I prefer to newborn baby.
What if you will feel homesick? What are you going to do?
I will do busy myself, and if I have time, I will tutor the children.
What if your employer is strict and demanding? What are you going to do?
I will ask my employer, and I will follow the instruction.
If you have misunderstanding with your employer, what are you going to do?
I will be polite and say sorry.
Do you mind your holiday will not be scheduled on Saturday or Sunday?
I don't mind it. It depends my employer's schedule.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work Hong Kong because I need him high salary for my future children.
Can you promise to finish your 2 years contract?
Yes, mom.
So can you give us a nursery song?
Okay, mom.
Go ahead.
Baby shark, chirrup, 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 baby shark. Mommy shark, chirrup, chirrup, mommy shark. Daddy shark, chirrup, chirrup, daddy shark.
So what is your message to your future employer?
Good day to my future employer. Please hire me as your helper. I am trustworthy, loyal, honest, and hardworking woman. Thank you and hope to see you soon.